Hi, I'm Ryan Kirshner with Thermo Scientific, and I'm here to talk about the new Thermo Scientific DXR XI Raman Imaging Microscope. It represents a completely new approach to Raman imaging, taking powerful performance and really putting it in the hands of users to solve problems much more quickly and efficiently. The secret is a visually driven interface that takes advantage of very powerful hardware to really focus on what matters. That is visual interpretation of high-performance spectral data pulled into one picture. We're advancing research for applied researchers in academia all the way through process and product development. We have a broad range of applications that we're really thinking about, including graphene, advanced materials, thin films, and surfaces. It's also an ideal solution for pharmaceutical users, looking at upstream formulation development, content uniformity, and distribution of polymorphs. We can image a whole pharmaceutical tablet in just a few minutes and get a real-time visual interpretation of data. So if we take a look at the screen, you can see here we have a pharma tablet, and we're doing real-time component analysis as we're scanning that allows you to identify specifically where your material is, how it's distributed, and how much is there. It's just as simple as pointing and clicking and drawing out a few locations where you'd like to do in-depth analysis. And then you hit one button and go, and the data is collected and appears on the screen. We're also showing how you can perform many different experiments after the data has been collected to do analysis or post-processing, interpreting the data in many new and different ways. So that's as simple as just selecting a few parameters that allow you to refine exactly what you're looking for, look at different spectral features, for example, and really gain a visual understanding of your image. So we've produced an instrument that's extremely easy to use. Anyone can walk up, and it's as simple as placing a sample, looking at the instrument to first optically identify areas of interest, and then immediately going to Raman image data to really stream spectra off, but to provide a visual interpretation in a real-time context. The DXR XI is also great for multi-user environments, where you have first-year graduate students through visiting scientists and postdocs, a broad range of different expertise. We're also looking at problems in academia where the primary expertise isn't spectroscopy. So we're looking to have a system that can be used by engineers, to physicists, to chemists, to biochemists, really being a focal point for all of that research activity within a multi-user interdisciplinary laboratory environment. Much more than just a faster spectrometer, the DXR XI is a whole new way of thinking about Raman imaging. So we built expertise into the system to allow users to solve problems much more quickly, using a visual, image-centric analysis that really takes high-speed data acquisition to a whole new level. So you get real-time, immediate, instant gratification, and the ability to interpret your results quickly and efficiently. This lets you get onto your next problem and continue pushing your research forward.